In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Udemy course announcements on desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find instructor updates inside the course interface so you never miss important news, reminders, or resources. Start by opening the Udemy course you're enrolled in using a desktop web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure you're signed into the account where you're enrolled and let the course player load fully. The announcements live inside each course, so you'll always access them from within that course's page, rather than from your general account settings. Once the course opens, look near the video player for the navigation area that includes tabs such as Overview, Q&A, or Notes. Udemy groups course tools together here, and the Announcements tab sits alongside those options. Depending on your screen size, you might see these tabs directly under the video player, or slightly below it in a horizontal row. If you don't spot announcements immediately, scroll a little or widen your browser window so the full tab row is visible. You can also check for a More or Overflow option if the interface condenses the tabs on smaller displays. Click the Announcements tab. This opens a dedicated feed of posts the instructor has sent for that specific course. You'll typically see the most recent announcements at the top, with each post showing a title, date, and a preview of the message. Select any announcement to read it in full. This is where instructors share updates like schedule changes, new resources, bonus lectures, or answers to common course-wide questions. Unlike Q&A, which is for individual questions and answers, announcements are one-to-many broadcasts from the instructor to all enrolled learners. Keep in mind that Udemy occasionally refreshes its interface, so the exact placement of the Announcements tab can shift slightly. However, it almost always remains in or near that row of course tool tabs located around or below the video player. If the layout looks different on your account, the same logic applies. Look for course navigation elements grouped near the player, and you'll find announcements among them. A couple of quick tips. If an announcement references a resource or link, open it in a new tab so you can return to the feed easily. If you're enrolled in multiple courses, repeat this process within each course, since announcements are course-specific. And if the tab doesn't appear, try a quick refresh, clear your browser cache, or switch to another supported browser to rule out a display glitch. That's it. Open your course, find the Announcements tab near the player, and click to view the latest posts from your instructor.